Now on our Binance coin, by the way, we would first of all analyze it on the long term trend. We can see it's about 11th of November. We are actually having a drop, and we've lost about close to 67 percentage. We actually lost about 67 percentage of our price we actually picked, right? So one thing is that we are still on a downward trend, and we are to trade according to our trend and not against our trend. That is one thing about one rule of trading. Trade what you see and not what you think. And our trend is massively still falling, and we will still continue to have that fall. Now on our Binance coin, right, we've actually reached our lowest point for the year. This year alone, I'm just analyzing for the year, we reached our lowest point about 183, right? We've actually, you know, we saw this pullback, we hit our 180 plus, then we actually got this retracement. It's about 243, right? And guess what? Now that we are on a downward trend, we had a pullback, definitely we are still going down again. Our price to break below this our previous lower lows. That is what we are aiming for, to break our previous lower lows. But before we aim to break our previous lower lows for the week, we are analyzing for this week only. We are not talking about next week or next 3 weeks. For this week only, let's aim to take our profits to our previous lower lows, when our price hits, which is about, let us aim about 180. Let's aim to take our profits about 180. So sell your Binance coin straight. So we are going to sell our Binance coin straight to where our price, we had our lowest point. That should be giving us, I think, 15 percentage to gain if you are to sell it against our USDT. So our Binance coin to our USDT, we have to sell it straight to our previous liquidity area here, where our price reacted to, our price, we had this push up. That is exactly where we would want to see our sell position straight downward. That is the analysis for the week. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you very much.